Hi everyone, my name is Andrew Elliott and I am the product manager for Hideout and Retreat for Keystone RV. We are at the RV Hall of Fame, but I'm going to give you a little sneak peek of a brand new floor plan, the 32 TQS, that is revolutionary in the RV industry. Let's go check it out. Welcome inside the 32 TQS. What makes this floor plan unique is that we have sleeping for every size person, right? The little kids all the way up to adults. With 60 by 74 beds on both sides, you can fit any size person. You can fit 2 people up here if you want to. Plus, we have a full 92-inch wide dinette on this side that allows you to fit even more sleeping space. Most dinettes you're gonna find are 72, maybe 74 inches wide, but we have a full 92-inch wide dinette. So you can easily sleep even more people right here, and not just little kids, right? Actual adults. So we wanted to make sure that we had plenty of space, and then when you put the dinette up, you have plenty of room all over the place for seating, right? You can sit 1 person on either side, you can put 2 people in the middle. If you have the extra chairs, you can put them on the end there as well. Underneath here, even more storage. We have storage on both ends of the dinette. So if someone is sitting there and you need to get into that space, that person doesn't have to get in. You have to lift up the cushion, lift up the decking. You can just easily open this door and access that storage. Plus, one of the most requested features that you're gonna find in RV is campside windows. So you have all these windows that look directly out to your campsite. So if you are forced to go inside during the rain, you can go out and you can see it. Or if you're eating breakfast in the morning, you can see the beautiful surrounding views around your camper. With this floor plan, being able to sleep so many people, you're gonna need a lot of storage. So what we have is unobstructed storage below the sink for a trash can, shelves in the overhead cabinet above the sink for plates, a huge pantry, 4 large drawers, and additional storage to the right of the microwave and below the range. Also found in this kitchen is a 10 cubic foot, 12-volt refrigerator. The advantage of that is that you can pack all your food up before you leave for your camp trip and have it stay cold the entire time you're traveling. One other point of emphasis when designing this trailer was to make sure that campers had plenty of countertop space. So we have some space here to the right of the range with an outlet directly next to it for a toaster or a coffee maker or anything like that. Plus, on this side of the sink, you're gonna have additional countertop space with an outlet right above that. Just inside the door, you're gonna have 2 storage shelves for shoes, 2 drawers for a dog leash, a wallet or keys, plus a countertop above. For the 32 TQS, we completely redesigned the bathroom setup. In our medicine cabinet, we raised up the bottom shelf so that you had room for taller items like toothbrushes or hairspray or anything like that. Then we actually offset the sink to the left so you had a little bit of extra countertop space right next to an outlet. We completely redesigned our wardrobe storage for model year 2024. With hanging storage above and a removable shelf inside, campers can actually fold their clothes instead of only hanging them. Plus, in the shelf above the bed, we actually specifically designed this so you can fit the fabric bins to put your socks or underwear above your bed. What makes this floor plan unique is that we actually give you an additional wardrobe. So on the top, you'll have full height hanging storage, and then below, you'll have 2 additional drawers. The final piece of storage in your bedroom is going to be your under-bed storage. Not only do we have great features inside the 32 TQS, but we also have lots of exciting features outside, including a full storage space underneath the 60 by 74 bunks. Then to the right of that will be a nice refrigerator for your outside kitchen setup, an outside shower with hot and cold and a shower head so you can rinse off the kids or the dogs at the beach, plus an LP Quick Connect below that, marked by this sticker. One of the other changes we made for model year 2024 is to lower our speakers so that you're not blasting your music all across the campground. Now you can have it a little bit quieter so that only you and your family can hear it. In addition to all the exciting new features we showed you for model year 2024, we still have our standard features that I want to make sure we don't forget. First is going to be the power stabilizer jacks. This makes camping setup a complete breeze by pressing 1 button for the front jacks and 1 button for the rear jacks. Our More Ride solid steps. These are going to be the best steps a camper can have. The power tongue jack on the front of your camper is going to make hooking up and unhooking from your truck a breeze. One of the other new features for model year 2024 is our gauge on our LP tank. The 32 TQS also comes with an optional Solar Flex Protect 220 package. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys love the new 32 TQS, and be sure to like and subscribe our YouTube channel to see more great content to help you camp better.